guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. So this is another Aliexpress wig. If you recognize the pink bag, you already know. But I wanted to just make sure I tried enough vendors before the 11/11 sale, because if you all don't know, on Aliexpress, the 11/11 sale, almost everything on that site is on sale, and they have a lot of great sales on wigs specifically, and that's when I usually like to get my birthday wig, because my birthday is in December. So I'm coming at you all with a little wig unboxing. We are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. If you all watch any of my other videos, you know I've talked about how a lot of these companies have these pink bags now, but I realized when you're picking your hair, you can pick shit from like the US or China most of the time. It depends on the vendor, of course. And when I looked at this bag, it said like global, it says global warehouse on this side that I'm looking at, but my address is on this side, so I'm not gonna show y'all. But it's a global warehouse in New Jersey, and I think that's where most of the Aliexpress wigs go. But let's go ahead and open this wig, because I actually ordered 3 wigs. And I'm not sure which wig this is, which is why I didn't say it in the intro, because I just got 3 little 26-inch wigs. So I won't see until I open it which wig this is. Of course, it came with a little card on how to take care of the hair, how to measure it. Okay, so most of the time their wigs come in this little black bag. It says 100% human hair on it, but let's see which wig this is, you guys. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is the body wave wig. I had to look up the specs of this hair just to make sure I told you all the right thing, but this wig is from Castlo Hair, which is a company I've tried before on this channel, but I tried a different type of wig. But this is Caslow's body wave wig, and they do go up to 40 inches on this wig too, so that's great. But here it is, you guys. Nice little body wave. I feel like with a regular length body wave wig, you can really have really pretty layers, so I think I want to do that with this wig. Either I'm gonna like dye this wig burgundy or something, or burgundy might be fun, like do a little red, because I haven't been red in years. Like, I don't know, or do like some really nice layers. But let's actually look at this wig. So we're gonna turn it inside out first. So this is a 13x4 lace front, to where they give you 4 inches in the middle, and then you get maybe, wait, hold on. It looks like a lot more room than they usually give you, but this is just like you get a lot more room in the middle than you do on the sides. But I would say this is a little more spacing than I usually get on the sides of most wigs. So that's pretty cool. So let me see how much this wig is. Hold on, before I tell you all something wrong. For this wig, if you want a 150% density, it's only $96. So this is the 180% density, and it's $103. So this is a cheap wig, you guys, very cheap. So the 40-inch is barely anything at all either. So it's pretty affordable too. But of course, this wig is like right at $100. So that is really fantastic. Like, bam, that's cute. Very cutesy. I think I will do very cute layers and curls with this hair. I feel like that might eat. It might eat. But just looking at this lace itself, the lace is really thin. It's not like your normal transparent lace. Let me compare this lace to another one. This is another wig I just got. So you can kind of see that this lace is a little thinner. The lace on the left is thinner than this lace. Let me make sure you all can see the comparison. So this one would be a lot more easy to work with than this one. I am really excited. Like, this lace is super thin, and another, I feel like, dead giveaway that the lace is pretty good is when it's like kind of, even though it's not like raggedy like a HD lace, when they do these little humps like this, I feel like most of the time I have really good lace when it's kind of like wavy. I feel like that's a trend I'm seeing so far. So let me know if you all have peeped that. But I do like the lace on this wig. For $100 at that is super good. So here is the hairline. It's a nice hairline. There it is. That is good. Like, I didn't know. I usually review pretty expensive wigs on my channel. So I'm happy that I'm doing this right before the 11/11 sale. Because if this wig is like $100 now, I don't know how much it'll be then. So that's crazy. But yeah, I'm running my hands through it and I'm not getting any shedding. So that is good. Fantastic. And I feel like vendors put better hair on wigs less than 30 inches. Just because, like, I don't know, how many people are you really finding with 40-inch hair? That's my question. Why is my camera doing that? But that's my question. Sometimes I really be wondering, but it's not gonna stop me from wearing 40-inch hair. But yeah, this is a really nice thickness, 180% density. So the exact price was $103. And then if you do 150% density, I believe it was like $96. Let me get my measuring tape out just so we can really know if this hair is true to length or what. Let's see, but this is a nice $100 wig, you guys. I haven't checked the prices I haven't checked the prices of wigs less than 30 in so long, but that is super affordable in my opinion. So yeah, uncurled. Okay, just stretch. So I'm holding the measuring tape right here, just holding it right here. I'm getting it at about 27, 26 inches. But of course, they always say, oh, stretch the hair. So stretch, this wig is coming to 30 inches. Most of the vendors measure the wig from up here. Let's try to measure it from the back track, because I feel like that makes more sense too. Like, why would I measure it from the top? So I'm putting the measuring tape right here. Measuring tape right here, unstretched, is going to about 20 inches. But of course, stretched, I'm getting 25 inches. So maybe that's the way they measure over at Castlo. But yeah, this wig is super full for 180% density. And it is a very pretty wig. So I'm really excited to work with this lace. Let me know what you all think I should do with this wig too. Should I go burgundy or red? Should I do ginger? Or should I just keep it dark, have layers, and like, I feel like it'll look so grown, like grown and sexy or something. Do something like that. So let me know what you all think I should do with like this 26, 30-inch wig. I don't know. It's kind of giving 30 to me. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.